everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I did a mega Goodwill haul today up north. Me and my mom went rummaging shopping up here, and I was like, you know, why don't you stop at the Goodwill to see what's there? Well, I got the stuff for you. Oh my god, it is so good. Okay, so my first item is this box. Now this box is really nice, even though the sticker on the top, like somebody was peeling it off and it kind of is gross looking, but the lock is a little loose, but I don't really care about that. And on the inside, I want to remove this, but nice velvet on the inside. I think I'm gonna put all of my special stones and crystals in this one. So this costed $2.99 and it's purple tag, so that means it's half off. So I got it for $1.99. So for my next item, I got this Sandalwood Incense for 99 cents, and I did not want to buy a lot of sandalwood incense because I wasn't so sure if I'm gonna like the smell or not. So I was glad I found these because there's like maybe 6 or 7 in here. So I can't wait to burn those. And then in one of my haul videos, I showed you 2 pictures of my unicorns and stuff, and lo and behold, I found another one. Now this one is a lot more color, a lot more vibrant than the ones that I have at home. This was $2.99, and I really like, it looks like it's the drawing style. For the drawing style, it looks back from the 70s or 80s. Like, I really like the drawing style. Next, oh my god, I'm so happy I found this because you know, us witches, we always need another cauldron. So I got this nice kind of semi-big cauldron for $2.99, and it was also half off because of the purple sticker. And this is nice and wide, so I'm probably going to be using this for either when I make my incense, my specific incense blends in here, or if I am burning charcoal, because this is really nice and big. Alright, so I'll just show you 2 of them. I got 4 of them for $1.99 each. They're these nice bottles that I think I'm going to store a lot of my liquid mixtures in it, or I'm going to store a lot of herbs in it. I think for powder wise, I would store them in here because the top part is kind of narrow for herbs. So I got 4 of these for $1.89 a piece. My next item, I bought all 4 of these because every time I go to Goodwill or St. Vincent de Paul, I never can find all the colors that I want. So I found each and every color this last time for 99 cents each. These are absolutely amazing. And the best part about these is these are going to be on my elements representation. Red for fire, yellow for air, blue for water, and green for earth. So I'm super, super excited to start using those. Okay, so for my next tea light kind of holder I got a few of them besides those 4, is this really cool bronze grape and leaf looking one. I got it for $1.99, and I'm probably going to use this for one of my harvests, probably my fall harvest, because they got some oak leaves and grapes in here. So I'm pretty excited to use this. Alright, so for my next item, I got for $1.99 this cute Hong Kong bell. There's a very high pitch, which I really like when I do my summoning work. And it has this cute little boat on it, and then some Chinese letters, and on the other side it says Hong Kong. So I really, really like that. And I only got that for $1.99. And for my next item, I got this nice big herb storing jar, which I am so happy I got. It's kind of like in a weird shape. It's kind of like triangled like this way. Like it looks flat, but it's not. With cork top. I always have to go with the cork top. I love cork tops. And I only got this for $1.99. So for my next item, I bought this cute little jar, which I'm going to definitely be using in my liquid mixtures, for $1.99. And the top is excellent. I love bottles like this because the top doesn't wear out as fast if you have cork tops. But I love cork tops too. So for my next item, I already bought the one version of it. I was looking for this version of it and I found it. And I'm so happy I found it because when I make my Artemis altar, I want to have 2 figurine statues of creatures that are different from each other but are of the same thing. So I saw the little owl, and it looks like he's flying. And I saw this and I'm like, well, I got the other one with his wings in, and I really, really like this one. So I'm pretty happy I found this one. And I only spent $2.99 on this, so I thought this was a steal. So, right, for my next item, I got this item because my last mixing bowl that I had got ruined. I don't know if it was the oil that made the incense powder like bleed into it, but it like stained it really, really bad, and I could not wash it out. So I got this cute little metal serving bowl only for $2.99, and it has this little dish on the bottom thing, so in case it spills over, it'll catch it, which I really appreciate because sometimes I'm not a real good judge at my liquid mixtures and measuring and stuff. I got this for $2.99. It was half off, so that's a plus. So for my next big item, I got this nice oil jar, and I got this for $2.99. The cork is really good and stable. It's not rotted or anything, so that's what I was mainly looking for in this bottle, but I cannot wait to use this. All right, so for my next item, I got this nice big round heavy corked jar. So I got this for $2.99. So for my next item, I got this cool little butterflies in a jar for only $1. To me, this symbolizes spring in the forest. So I'm going to be definitely using this for a ritual. I'm not going to take them out, but I am going to have this on to maybe do like a center point where my energy is going when I do my ritual. So I'm pretty excited to use that. All right, so for my final piece, my phone that I'm using to film this is actually resting on it, so I'm going to show you that in 1 second. So I got this nice stool for $6. It's nice and heavy and sturdy, so I'm pretty excited about that. But I was so happy that I found this because I kind of estimated like the size-wise because it's nice and big. This is going to be my official god and goddess altar instead of being on my regular working altar because everything's just too crowded. And this is perfect because it fits under my space. So I'm going to have like the goddess candle here, the god candle here, offering bowl, and then like my 2 plaques that go along with it. So I'm pretty excited to use that. It's very well made. It's very heavy, and it's nice and padded so it won't scratch anything. And it's really deep too, because then if I would want to use this for space, like if I wanted to use this space to fill something, I can easily fill it up and push it under. So I'm pretty happy about that. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like and subscribe down below. In the link below, I will have a link to both my Etsy stores. The one I have with my sister called Naturally Harvested, and my professional one, which is Stormwing Creations. I mostly do coasters, signs, custom signs. So go check it out. Thanks. Bye.